You might be in a situation where for some reason you keep getting this little pop-up that says your old password was entered incorrectly. Please enter it again. Now this is a very annoying pop-up that can happen to pretty much anybody. So what I would recommend doing for the most part, it's very basic. All you have to do is just go ahead and just make sure you're entering the right password to your Instagram account. So what I would recommend doing here is if you're going through and you're creating or you're adding a new account into Instagram, all you want to do is go ahead and just try to remember that specific password that you tried to remember when, or you actually try to enter and try entering it again. A lot of the times that's probably all you're going to have to do. But luckily for you, Instagram nowadays has several different ways you can to actually, recover your account. So if you need to, you can always click login with Facebook or logging in a different method. So you can go ahead and log in with Facebook, and that may end up fixing the problem too. Now, if that doesn't work, you can always try using the forgot password method as well. So all you're going to have to do here is just click on forgot password. And all that's going to happen here is it's going to just basically, ask for your username, phone number, or email. And you can just go ahead and input that information in. And when you do that, you can go ahead and reset your password. Now, it also says if you can't reset your password, you can also click here, and it's going to go ahead and allow you to essentially recover your account in a few different ways. So if it's specifically giving you the error that your old password is not working, again, that means you have to type in the new password, or basically the old password that you did for when you forgot or when you reset your account, you're not able to change it. So if that still doesn't work, you can try updating your Instagram application if you're logging in via that method. So make your way over to your app store here. All you want to do here is just go and type in Instagram. When you go and type it in, all you want to do is go ahead and update that application. So go and click here, go ahead and update Instagram. And for a lot of people out there, that might end up fixing the situation as well. So that's probably all you're going to have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.